Hi, I'm Lee Reiser with Truck Hero, and today we're going to be talking about our Rugged Ridge JT. So this vehicle is filled with products from Rugged Ridge. So we'll start kind of here at the front. Of course, we've got a winch-ready bumper. We've got a new Rugged Ridge light shield. So this actually lights up and adds a little added hood protection. Then we've got our steel fender flares here. I mean, you'll see Rugged Ridge all the way throughout this build. Rugged Ridge wheels. We've got our new trail armor protection here. This is from Rugged Ridge. And then these Fortis tube doors. Really heavy duty construction for that open air feel, and we have the optional mesh. Keep going down here. This is one of our newest products. It's a sport bar, so a nice sporty look for your JT, and it has multiple options for light mounting. As you can see, we've chosen some of the nice round for that kind of retro look. Then if you move to the back here, we have the spare tire carrier. So when you have to mount a larger spare, you know, it's nice to have it up under the bed so you don't have to mount it under the vehicle. So this mount actually fits up to a 40-inch tire, as you can see we've got in there. So these are one of our new products from Rugged Ridge. This is a full replacement tail light, so you can see this look is really seamless, fits close to the body, offers a full replacement for that light. Also have the marker light as well. And then we've got our rear bumper from Rugged Ridge as well. So to check out more information, just go to ruggedridge.com.